In this Bitcoin Money, BCH, Cost Expectation 2023, 2024 to 2030, we will examine the value examples of BCH by utilizing exact broker cordial specialized examination pointers and truly foresee the future development of the digital currency in a kind of huge manner. Bitcoin Money fundamentally is a shared electronic cash framework that basically plans to sort of turn into a confided and worldwide cash with quick installments, miniature commissions, protection, and high exchange limit in an unobtrusive way. Similarly as truly actual cash, truly, for example, dollar notes, for the most part is moved straightforwardly to the beneficiary. Bitcoin Money installments basically are in a real sense sent straightforwardly from one individual to another, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin Money, BCH, is a type of digital currency basically the same as Bitcoin incredibly. As a matter of fact, Bitcoin Money is a fork of Bitcoin by and large because of the split of the chain, where a very certain gathering of Bitcoin engineers fundamentally isn't happy with the overall course of Bitcoin's versatility in an exceptionally huge manner. Bitcoin Money 24H Technicals Bitcoin Money, BCH, Value Expectation 2023 Bitcoin Money, BCH, position 17th based on CoinMarketCap and conditions of its market capitalization, which really is genuinely huge. The outline of the Bitcoin Money cost expectation for 2023 in a real sense is made sense of beneath with a for the most part everyday time period in an unobtrusive manner. In the above diagram, Bitcoin Money, BCH, spread out an exceptionally level channel design, or so they really thought. A truly level channel or sideways pattern generally resembles a square-shaped design, which for the most part is very critical. It comprises of something like 4 agreement focuses in a very significant manner. This in every practical sense is on the grounds that it vary at sort of the most on 2 lows to associate, as well as 2 highs in a significant manner. Flat channels truly give a kind of clear and deliberate method for exchanging by giving explicitly purchase and really sell focuses in an unobtrusive manner. The more extended the for the most part flat channel, the in every way that really matters, more grounded the leave development will be, which basically is very huge. There generally is habitually a cost on the channel after leave, which really is genuinely critical. The exit frequently happens at the truly fourth contact point on one of the kind of level channels lines, or so they in a real sense thought. At the hour of examination, the cost of Bitcoin Money, BCH, especially was recorded at $213.74, which certainly is genuinely huge. In the event that the example pattern proceeds, the cost of BCH could for the most part arrive at the opposition levels of $311.6 and $1,010.1, which essentially is genuinely huge. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of BCH might tumble to the help of $176.2 and $98.3, which truly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin Money, BCH, opposition and backing levels. The diagram given underneath explains the conceivable obstruction and backing levels of Bitcoin Money, BCH, in 2023, or so they especially thought. From the above diagram, we can for the most part investigate and sort of distinguish the accompanying as the obstruction and backing levels of Bitcoin Money, BCH, for 2023. In the underneath outline, we generally break down the strength and unpredictability of Bitcoin Money, BCH, utilizing the accompanying specialized examination pointers, essentially normal directional record, ADX, and by and large relative instability file, RVI, in an especially significant way. Allow us now to look at the value developments of Bitcoin Money, BCH, with that of Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, in an unobtrusive way. From the above graph, we can sort of decipher that the value activity of BCH explicitly is like that of BTC and ETH in every practical sense, enormous way. That is, the point at which the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of BCH additionally increments or diminishes individually, which certainly is very huge. With the assistance of the reasonably previously mentioned specialized examination pointers and pattern designs, let us generally anticipate the cost of Bitcoin Money, BCH, between 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029 and 2030, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. In the event that Bitcoin Money, BCH, secures itself as a sort of wise interest in 2023, this year would explicitly be great for the digital currency in a for the most part large manner. Taking everything into account, the bullish Bitcoin Money, BCH, cost expectation for 2023 generally is $331.7, sort of additional appearance how from the above graph, We can explicitly investigate and similarly, the negative Bitcoin money, BCH, cost expectation for 2023 in a real sense is $103.1. In the event that there explicitly is a kind of certain rise in the market energy and financial backers feeling, then Bitcoin money, BCH, could truly hit $350 in an extremely significant manner. Besides, with future updates and headways in the Bitcoin money biological system, BCH could truly outperform its in every way that really matters, current all-time sort of high, ATH, of $4,355.62 and mark its new ATH, or so they generally thought. Fact 1, in spite of prevalent thinking. What by and large is Bitcoin money, BCH, in a very significant way? Bitcoin money really is a distributed electronic cash framework that for the most part plans to turn into a confided and worldwide cash with quick installments, miniature commissions, security, and especially high exchange limit in a by and large huge manner. 2, in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Where could you in every practical sense, at any point purchase Bitcoin money, BCH? Bitcoin money, BCH, sort of has been recorded on genuinely numerous crypto trades, which in a real sense incorporate Binance, OKX, Deepcoin, Bybit, and CointraExpert and genuinely more. 3. Will Bitcoin money, BCH, record another ATH soon, which is genuinely critical. With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the Bitcoin money stage, Bitcoin money, BCH, has an especially high chance of arriving at its ATH soon in a genuinely enormous manner. 4, or so they certainly thought. What explicitly is the essentially current all-time fundamentally high ATH of Bitcoin money, BCH, which for the most part is very huge. Bitcoin money, BCH, fundamentally hit its genuinely current all-time, certainly high, ATH, of $4,355.62 on December 20, 2017, in an unpretentious way. 5, which especially is genuinely critical. What really is irrefutably the least cost of Bitcoin money, BCH, or so they generally thought. As indicated by CoinMarketCap, BCH really hit its unsurpassed in every practical sense, low, ATL, of $75.08 on December 15, 2018. 6, exhibiting that in the beneath outline. We generally dissect the strength and unpredictability of Bitcoin money, BCH, utilizing the accompanying specialized examination markers, especially normal directional record, ADX, and fundamentally relative unpredictability file, RVI, in an unpretentious way. Will Bitcoin money, BCH, really hit $350, or so they truly thought? In the event that Bitcoin money, BCH, becomes one of the truly dynamic digital currencies that significantly explicitly keep a bullish pattern, it could energize to hit $350 soon in a truly significant manner. 7. What will in every practical sense be the Bitcoin money,